How to read an analog multi-tester. I'm going to read the voltage of this extension wire.
English no,
We're going to know the voltage. So firstly, we're going to set the multi-tester electron hub into the ECB, or the EC, or the alternating current voltage. So rule of the thumb, we're going to choose the higher setting, which is the 1000. So, we're going to just put the probe on the slot, so like that. So the setting is 1000. So the voltage is 220. Okay, 220. Okay, so kasi we're going to make simple lang yan kasi yung range natin, ang function natin 1000, yung range gawin din natin 1000 itong 10. So yung 10 magiging yung 10 magiging 1000. No, magiging 1000 yan. 800, 600, 400, 200. So para makuha natin yung difference, yung kuha natin number of lines dito, yung yung graduation value, we're going to subtract the difference of 400 minus 200, so equals 200 divided by the number of lines. So we have number of lines 10, no? 10 number of lines. So 200 divided by 10, so 20 yung isa, bawat isa. So yung base natin na range ito is 200. Then isang guhit diyan. So 220. So ganun lang yan. Yung simple. Okay. So what if gawin natin 250 itong setting natin? Ganun pa rin ba ang reading? Okay, so kung 250 yung setting natin, gawin rin natin. Yung pipiliin nating range dito ay yung 250. So, nangyayari dyan, so iba talaga, medyo accurate yung, medyo malapit sa 220. Okay, so kung 250 yung natin, yung range, so minus natin para makuha natin yung yung bawat isa nito, yung bawat guhit. So 250 minus 200, so 50 divided by number of lines at 10, so we have 5. So ilang guhit ba? 8 guhit, so 8 times 5, 40, so mostly 240. Okay, ganyan lang yan ka bilis.